Today, we are in the central region of Ghana in the outskirts of Elmina. And yes, your guess is as good as mine. I just found a beautiful hidden gem. I've already been around and oh my goodness, this place is screaming comfort, peace, luxury, privacy. Give me more. So I can't wait to give you guys a tour of this beautiful place, and today's video is just going to be straight to the point. It's all about this beach house. But before we start, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you enjoy content like this, make sure to subscribe. Okay people, so let's start from the very top. So it took us about 4.5 hours to get there. I mean, it was quite a drive, but when we got to this place, oh my goodness, we realized it was worth it. It was worth the long road trip. Do you see how high up these doors are? I'm currently about to enter the master bedroom and I don't know what to expect, but so far I've been loving the aesthetic. Let's see what we are working with. I love it. 3 words, I love it. I appreciate how high the ceilings are with the chandelier over there. If you're a plant lover just like me, you'll be so grateful. I think with the bed, we are working with a queen size bed. Let me sit on it and see how it feels. Ooh, pretty bouncy, not too hard. I think it should be comfortable to lay on. And then over here we have a dresser with a small section for our lovely ladies, because you know, you need to put on some lip gloss, you need to get your makeup done. Although I would prefer to get my makeup done in the bathroom. Okay, listen, I really appreciate the fact that in every part of the room or the beach house you find yourself in, you get a plant, which is so thoughtful. Can you give them like a view of how I look in the mirror? Listen, I feel like I'm on vacation. This is what we're working with. A shower, like so. This to hang your towels. You get blinds as well. And I'm just noticing this picture way up the top. That concludes the tour for the master bedroom. I love it and I'm glad I get to stay here tonight. But let's check out the other 2 rooms and everything else this beach house has to offer. I'm gonna start with the guest bathroom, and there's something interesting going on here. You have your shower, you have all of this. Can you zoom in, let them see? And then take a look at this. Come, zoom in, see. This is the view you get while you're doing your business, and don't worry, no one can see you from outside, so we are safe. This is so interesting. Let's check out the other 2 rooms. We have bedroom number 2. Take a look at the view. So this beach house has a 360 seafront view, which means that in every room you find yourself, you're gonna have a view of the sea, and it's absolutely beautiful. And just like the master bedroom, each room comes with, this isn't a queen size bed though, but I think it's still big enough for 2 people. So it comes with a bed, a closet area, and a dresser, a cute dresser. I'm loving the wallpaper on the walls in this beach house. I noticed this one too, and I was just wondering, wow, is there a wallpaper or they actually made it this way? Anyway, so they also have a beautiful, beautiful painting all the way up there. An AC and a plant over there. Okay, so I think this is somewhat identical to the bedroom I just checked out. You have your bed. I think this one doesn't have like, this isn't a tabletop, it's more like a shelf area for your things. You have the sea view from here as well. You have your dresser and a cute closet. And oh, okay, I almost said there wasn't any painting, but you also get another painting and an AC. This beach house also comes with a private chef, and for $125 you can get breakfast, lunch and dinner for 3 people. So I'm here with the chef right now and I'm about to ask him a few questions. Hi, what's your name? Can we know your name?
My name is Barnabas.
Oh, are you from the central region? Because they agree. No. So I'd like to know, what are we having for lunch today?
Okay, so for lunch we're having bamboo and great tilapia.
My favorite.
We are having calamari and avocado salad.
Okay.
Sweet mashed potato. Very
Lovely.
delicious.
And what are we having for dinner?
For dinner, we're having assorted jollof rice.
So I hope the jollof rice has shrimp, chicken, goat, tilapia. It's assorted. You see? So as you can tell, we are not doing any fianga foods over here. Can't wait to dig in. See, his heart is beating. He doesn't know what I'm going to do. Exquisite. Fantas are the best at making food and seasoning, and that's on period. No, it's actually really good. Yeah, vetted and approved. Next, we have the hall area, and this is probably my second favorite place after the master bedroom, because look at the decor we have going on the walls. I absolutely love it, and the fact that the ceiling goes all the way up with, I can't call them chandelier because it's made of cane, but I love it. With the different variations in the color when it comes to the couch, this color and that color just brings life to the hall. And guess what? You have Wi-Fi access 24/7. This means that I'm going to watch Netflix from 12 a.m. till 12 a.m. I don't let free things go to waste at all. The beach house tour. This is actually day 2. That's why you see a change of clothes, and I'm so sad I have to leave this place. I actually spent my first anniversary here, and it was absolutely amazing. I also wanted to put out there that if you just want to book a room, you're on a budget, it comes at $200. You get the entire beach house for $300. So is this a place you would want to stay at? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoy content like this, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you on my next travel vlog. Bye. Fynnbees out.